Today we're upgrading my NB Miata cooling system, and as you can see, my old radiator, the plastic started to turn brown already, and they're starting to begin developing cracks and leaks. So I have a brand new one, full aluminum with no plastic, which is gonna prevent future leaks and provide better cooling. So let's start by removing the intake pipe and the fans, and then we're gonna drain the coolant and take out the old radiator. Alright, now we're gonna drain the coolant. I'm gonna disconnect all the pipes, take out the fan and the radiator. Alright, so I got the old one out, and look at this difference. This thing is so thin. This one has 2 rows compared to this one, and this thing was about to blow up anyways. So this is a must-needed upgrade if I want to drive anywhere farther than 5 miles. So yeah, let's take the new one and install it. And here's the final result. Everything is connected properly, nothing's rubbing. Obviously needed some custom fitment, but let me know what you think about this upgrade, and see you in the next video.